Here are 3 facts about marine life you probably did not know. Starting with number 1. Did you know that the male seahorse is the one who gets pregnant and gives birth to the babies? Seahorses engage in an elaborate courtship ritual before mating. They perform an elegant dance, often changing colors and entwining their tails. This courtship ritual helps establish a strong pair bond between the male and female seahorse. During the courtship, the female seahorse deposits her eggs into a specialized pouch located on the male's abdomen called the brood pouch. The male's pouch has a small opening where the female releases her eggs, and the male fertilizes them internally with his sperm. Once the eggs are transferred, the male seahorse takes on the responsibility of carrying and nurturing the developing embryos. The gestation period can vary depending on the species, but it typically lasts for several weeks to several months. Inside the male's brood pouch, the eggs are surrounded by a fluid-filled environment that provides nutrients and oxygen to the developing embryos. The male's body provides a regulated temperature for the embryos, ensuring their proper development. Throughout the gestation period, the male seahorse actively cares for the embryos. He may adjust the position of the eggs within the pouch, as well as providing oxygen and nutrients through a specialized membrane that surrounds the eggs. When the embryos are fully developed, the male seahorse goes through a series of muscular contractions to expel the newborn seahorses, known as fry, from his pouch. The fry emerge as miniature versions of the adults and are immediately independent, fending for themselves in their surroundings. Seahorses are capable of having multiple pregnancies during a breeding season. Once the male gives birth to the fry, the pair may engage in another courtship ritual and repeat the reproductive process. By the way, if you like crazy facts about animals and plants, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Moving on to fact number 2. Did you know that sperm whales sometimes sleep in a vertical position? Sperm whales are known to rest and sleep in a vertically oriented position. They maintain a slightly head downward or tail downward angle while floating in the water. This allows them to conserve energy and maintain buoyancy. During the vertical drifting sleep state, sperm whales exhibit minimal movement and reduced responsiveness to their surroundings. They appear relaxed and motionless. Sperm whales often engage in group resting behaviors. They may form a logging group where multiple individuals rest and sleep in close proximity to each other. Group resting promotes social bonding and likely provides additional protection against potential threats. They also exhibit a sleep pattern known as unihemispheric sleep. This means that only one hemisphere of their brain sleeps at a time, while the other remains awake and alert. This adaptation enables them to continue essential functions such as maintaining awareness of their environment even while sleeping. Moreover, they typically have short sleep episodes that last for several minutes at a time. These sleep bouts can occur throughout the day and night, interspersed with periods of wakefulness and other activities like feeding and socializing. But, it's important to note that while vertical drifting is a prominent sleep behavior observed in sperm whales, they can also exhibit other resting postures and behaviors, such as floating horizontally near the water's surface. The precise sleep patterns and functions of sleep in sperm whales are still not fully understood, and ongoing research continues to shed light on their fascinating sleep behaviors and adaptations. And while whales are pretty amazing, the next fish in our list will blow your mind, just like it blows its prey away with its water jet. The archerfish is famous for its exceptional skill in shooting down insects from overhanging vegetation. It employs a highly accurate and strategic method known as spitting or shooting. They have specialized mouths that allow them to form a narrow groove with their tongue. They draw water into this groove, creating a pistol-like mechanism. When they spot an insect or other prey above the water's surface, they forcefully expel a jet of water to knock it down. Archerfish are remarkably accurate shooters. They can hit targets with impressive precision, compensating for factors like distance, target size, and the refraction of light between air and water. They can even adjust the velocity and shape of their water jet to suit different prey. But while shooting down insects is their primary hunting technique, archerfish are opportunistic feeders and have been known to consume a variety of prey, including small crustaceans, larvae, and even small fish. These curious creatures have several adaptations that aid in their hunting success. They possess highly movable eyes, which allow them to accurately judge the position of their prey. Additionally, their mouths are positioned in a way that minimizes disruption of their vision when shooting water. And research suggests that they exhibit a level of cognitive ability and learning. The smaller fish can quickly adapt their shooting techniques and improve their accuracy through experience and watching bigger fish hunt. That was all for this video. Did you learn something new? If you did, then tell us in the comments what was the most interesting fact for you. See you in the next video.